Hi everybody, Wicked Penny here. Today I happen to be making a friend of mine and a lot of his extended friendery one of their favorites. This goes out to Joe Spin, Patricia Lobo, Joe Easy Life, and I'm sure a few others that ever venture down to Harrah's and go to AC Burger, because this is one of their go-to staples. And I do believe a Mr. Robert Wood, aka Bobby Whiteclaw, he enjoys these as well. So I'm gonna do my best. I've never made them before, so I'll bend you down. I gotta make sure that the oil is the right temperature. The recipe that I used, I researched a lot of them. A lot of them call for like breadcrumbs. Most of them were like a beer batter type. However, the cheese, you don't actually put it in straight up in a batter of sort. What you do is you soak them in a beer buttermilk blend. You know, equal parts of beer, equal parts of buttermilk. And if you want to know how to make buttermilk real quick at home, you take a 1 cup container, put a tablespoon of vinegar or lemon juice, fill the rest up to make it 1 cup. That's buttermilk. So don't go buy yourself a quart of buttermilk when you need a cup for a recipe. You can make your own. Remember, tablespoon of lemon juice or vinegar and fill it up with the rest of regular milk. Okay? So I'm gonna bend you down so you can see. I kind of like have a dredging station over there. Here's my oil. I'm gonna put a pinch of flour to see how far along we are. And this is it, guys. I have my curds soaking in that buttermilk. See, I have them in a strainer. See, just so. And what I'm going to do is, this is almost there, the oil part. I'm draining out the excess because I don't want the flour mixture to get all unjadi, okay? And I'm gonna dump them in, okay? Right in the flour. Now this flour mixture is, it's just flour, salt, pepper, and baking powder. Some recipes called for a little sugar. Okay, I'm gonna just toss them, you see? Coating them all really, really good, okay? Now I chose a wider mouth pan, guys, so I can cook these all at once and not in batches. But if you have a smaller, I'm putting them in here. I can't fit them all on at once. Oh, man down. Let's see. Let's check this flour. Ooh, I think it's there, guys. Okay. I'm going to put them all in. Just got to go quick. Get out the excess flour. Okay. There we go. They're sizzling already. All right. Now, they're going to be done as soon as they get golden brown. And, all right, let's try to get the rest of them all on one spoon. There. Making a mess, but it's okay. I just want to get them all in at one sitting. I don't want to make another batch. And I don't want to waste them because we want to eat them, right? Okay, so some are going to be done a little quicker than the others because they were in longer. But they're going to float just like anything else. Sorry. That's what you gotta do. Alright? Alright. Look at it. Ooh. Okay. When they're golden brown, we're gonna take them out. Okay. You want your oil to be around 350, 375. Okay, they're starting to turn golden brown. Normally, guys, I don't put anything on a paper towel. It makes a batter soggy. But they're not going to be there long. Okay. Oh, I don't like this. Oh, what's that one? Okay. I will take them right off the paper towel and putting them on our serving tray. Okay. See? Gotta like this serving tray, huh? It's hilarious. You got to see what my friend Joe does with that lettuce. He does not eat it, trust me. Okay. These are looking good, guys. These are looking good. I hope they come out good. Who doesn't like fried cheese, right? Their go-to is, or all of them, mozzarella is king. Mozzarella cheese is king for all of them. Ooh, this one's nice and golden already. We're all getting there. That's a baby, that's why. Okay, we're almost done. This one looks good. This one. Flip, keep flipping. Play with your cheese, please. Play with your cheese. Okay. Guys, you know what else? I don't know if Joe would approve, but I bought a garlic flavored cheese curd. Roasted garlic. I thought that would be nice. They're puffing up nicely. I'll start taking some out that look like they ready. Little crumbage. Ooh, this one's starting to ooze a little cheese. We don't want that. That means they've been in there too long. Ooh, they're nice and like a tempura. They're looking good, guys. They're looking good. All right, let's get them out. I'm going to turn off this heat. Let's get them all out. I don't know, guys. Oh, like some need to stay in because they went in there later. But they look good. Cheese looks good. Oh, guys. All right. Here we go. All right. I'm going to put this hot oil over here to get out of my way. Guys, they look so good. We're going to put them all on. Oh, hot. Hot, hot, hot. Hot, hot, hot. Oh, crunchy, crunchy. Guys, they're so light and airy. Ooh, they're so hot. All right, come on. Let's put you up. Look, I'm all hot from cooking over the hot grease. Oh, okay. Oh my God, I have one sip of beer. I used the beer for the beer batter. Ooh. All right, guys. All right, look at these. Oh my goodness, I did it. Oh guys, I'm scared. Is it gonna be super hot inside? Super, super hot. Okay, here we go. Dipping in a little marinara. They're so good. Cheesy. And yummy. Ooh, and hot. Oh. Guys, nailed it. So good. I hope you made you proud, AC crowd. AC burger. I think they might use a breaded one, but I'm not too sure. You can't stop. Don't want to stop. Oh. That was a hot one. Okay, guys. I'll put the recipe in the description for y'all to do this. Don't forget my tip about the buttermilk. And if you're ever in Atlantic City, go to Harrah's and go to AC Burger and order them yourself because you won't be disappointed. And leave a comment for your chance to win an Instapot. The cheese is here to please. Peace.